All right, I'm Oleg Shilovitsky, CEO and co-founder of OpenBOM. At OpenBOM, we help manufacturing companies to manage parts, bill of materials, vendors, and purchases. OpenBOM is an online system that helps you to organize and use information in a simple and easy way. Let me ask you a question. Are you still using Excel to manage bill of materials? I will not be surprised if most of you will say yes. Excels are very easy to start, but within time, Excels are getting complex and take a lot of time and effort to manage. So you will literally become a chief Excel officer to run after all your bill of materials in Excel. You will make mistakes, you will do wrong calculations, you will send the wrong Excel to your contractors and to your purchasing people. So all these mistakes will cost you time and money, and your company will be losing production time and will be losing customers as a result of mismanagement of bill of materials. So how to solve the problem? At OpenBOM, we created an online system to manage processes and data in a very easy way. OpenBOM is a super flexible data model, allows you to import any data from Excels, and I'm sure you have many of them, and CAD add-in allows you to import data from your engineering and design projects. So OpenBOM helps you to organize this information, which will become a single version of truth. You will manage revisions and changes, and you will be always on the same BOM with your team, contractors, and suppliers. OpenBOM helps you to collaborate. Are you familiar with the Google Sheets and Google Docs? That's pretty much what OpenBOM does. You can share data with a single click with anybody, and you can organize role-based access to the data with your team, with your contractors and suppliers. Last but very important, OpenBOM is available on the risk-free monthly subscription. So link is below. You can register to OpenBOM, get your free trial, and start the process of escaping from messy Excels right away. And I will talk to you in my next video. See you soon. Bye-bye.